Are you seeing that people, I will put it this way, I'm so thrilled. Like, I know that Oneida Builders did our kitchen and I love it. And I think, I've never been in my home so much. So I have a real desire to really, really like it. And you're
It's
right, people are cooking. I'm cooking at home. I just always go to restaurants.
we are getting a lot of response from our previous clients. How much we just finished a large renovation right before Christmas, and we're going to go back and do her screen porch in hopefully a month. And she is just ecstatic of the openness and function of her kitchen now that 3 of her adult children are home. That's the other thing. All the adult children are home from college, and they are using the kitchen. My client, her first name is Robin. Her son was in the kitchen 10:30 last night cooking up a storm, and we did her kitchen 15 years ago. So the other demand is we have a job previous client we did a screen room for, which included plexiglass. So now all the screen rooms that have plexiglass on them now, Donna, are able to enjoy that room in this pollen season, so they can enjoy the outdoors, stop the pollen from coming in. We did a segment on that, I think, last month, Donna, about
Right,
the screen
yeah.
room.
And we can go ahead,
So
Alex, and show some pictures of the outdoor spaces because I think a lot of people are comfortable with their outdoor
yeah,
space right now.
and the other thing is we can take your screen room now that literally is full of pollen, and for probably a 3 to 4 week build out time, we can put the HVAC in, and we could put your plexiglass in, and that room becomes appraised value. Most people don't realize that when you refinance, if your screen room has removable plexiglass and an HVAC, minimum from $40,000 to $80,000 more on your appraisal. Please call your real estate agents, call your appraisers, and confirm what I'm saying is true. I know it is. I'm an investor, and when I invest in a house to sell, I always take the screen room and make it living space to get my appraisal up and get the demand up for that space.
Hey, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.